Riwruok mar laktache ma pacho ka KMPDU ochiwo ndalo 14 ne sirkal ma chopo singo margi makawo kamano to laktache chako ng'anyo. Ng'anyono ichan bagi e kind laktache osiptal maduong' mar Moi kaachiel kod mamoko e kaunti ma Uasin Gishu. Laktache go omiyo sirkal seche 48 ma chopo dwaro margi makawo kamano to chenro mag tich dhi chung'. Moko kuom ywakgi gin kaachiel kod chenro marach mar thieth, koso yudo sara kaachiel kod koso chulo omenda maromo milion 200 midwaro kod Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital.
In 14 days' time, your doctors will leave the hospitals, not because they don't love you, but because the management of Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital has chosen to prioritize tenders over the health insurance of our doctors. Just keep it in mind that the doctor who is treating you cannot access the services that they are giving you. We've sung this song a long time, and KMPDU is not in the business of manufacturing papers for people to sign. We will not sign anything more. What we want to see is money in the banks of these doctors, and they deserve it.
That the arrears that are owed to these doctors must be calculated and paid and indicated to them within 48 hours. We have also discussed and indicated that Uasin Gishu County must rise up and give these doctors in Uasin Gishu dignified medical insurance. And the promotion agreements of last year, May 2024, must be implemented because the county is in contempt. So we have said that because we are going to go on strike on 6th of August 2025, essentially we have issued 14-day strike notice that in 14 days, if these things are not done, then MTRH management that is said to have received kickback from First Assurance must get away with the insurance company on how to handle patients at the hospital.